Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a U-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair. They hooked me up with the goodies, of course. This is what the wig looks like. This is a kinky straight unit, so it's going to be perfectly blended with my hair. I'm showing you guys the construction of the cap. It has two like snap clips on each side in the front around the U-part, clips on the side, clip in the back, and an adjustable strap. So they put everything that you need so it can be nice and secure. I'm showing you guys my little braid pattern, if that's what you want to call it. My braids look a little sloppy, but the only braids that matter are the anchor braids, which I showed you. So as long as I have something to anchor the U part on, which I'm going to do just by simply clipping it on that braid, that's really all that matters, because everything else is going to be covered up. So I'm just applying the U-part wig by clipping it on my anchor braids, and then I'm gonna also clip it in place around the sides as well. To make this a side part, I just simply smoothed it over to the side. The clips are a little out of place, so it's not gonna be exactly in the back in the middle of my hair, but I just find the clips wherever they are, and then I just clip them into place. Okay y'all, I'm just showing you the length of the hair. I believe this is either 20 inch or 22 inch, but I would definitely have the exact length down below in the description. I'm just using my Tresemme heat protectant spray on my leave out, and then I put it on a little bit all over the rest of the hair. And I'm just going to first blow it out so it can be almost straight, and then I'm gonna create my part. I kind of want to have like kind of like a C part or whatever, attempting to have something with a little curve. I don't like for it to be straight anymore. I like for it to have a little curve. So I'm doing that, and then I'm just going to flat iron my leave out. Before I flat iron it, I'm using a little bit of my frizz buster. This helps so that I don't have so much frizz. Okay, now my leave out is straightened, and I tried to have as little leave out as possible. So now we are going to straighten the rest of the hair. So this is the natural state of the hair, how it comes. It's the kinky straight. As you can see, it's like very full and has a puffy look, but I want to straighten it, make it like more of a silky texture. So I am just using my comb to chase it so that it can be nice and straight. So you guys will definitely see a big difference from how it came to how it is when I straighten it. Of course, it already blends well in its natural state, but I just like for it to have like that polished look. all done straightening my hair, and now I'm gonna get some of that frizz stuff again and put that over top of my hair and just rub it all the way through. I don't know, I'm kind of obsessed with that stuff now, so I just be putting it on. So yeah, now we are just going to brush the hair out. Now I'm just doing my edges. I'm just doing a little swoop-de-doop using my edge control. And then I'm going to cut my layers in the front just so I can frame my face. Y'all know how I do. And now I'm just brushing it, doing my final little touches, and that is it, y'all. This looks so natural. It looks like my hair. It is absolutely beautiful. I love kinky straight hair. It just blends so well with my hair. It has a lot of body, a lot of movement. It has no tangles. As you can see, I'm just running my fingers through it, and it's really nice. And then like in the humidity, in the heat and everything, when my hair does start to sweat, it is not that much of a difference because it matches my hair texture. Y'all, I went to the store and this girl was like, how long you been growing out your hair? And I was like, girl, this is a U-part wig. She's like, what, for real? I was like, girl, yes. I felt good. That was a nice little compliment because I was like, this is not my hair, girl, but thank you. But yeah, y'all, if you guys want information on this hair, I will have all links down below in the description. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't step on the trip.